Alright, today we're going to show you how to get your HWH hydraulic slides in an emergency situation when your switch inside ain't working. You want to locate your pump, your HWH pump. On your pump you'll have two solenoids on the front, two solenoids on the back. The ones on the front is your retract. On the passenger side, if you want to get it to come in, you'll flip this white lever 90 degrees. You'll take a jumper wire, you'll hook to the red battery cable on your solenoid and touch it to the stud on your motor with the key on. This will allow your slide to come in. When your slide is fully retracted, take the wire off, flip the white lever back out to lock in the slide.